Welcome. We are going to match the unmatched records of your uploaded product data file. These matches are stored in a translation table and are applied to every new product data file upload. The Product Manager tries to automatically match your records with the OneTrail record standard. Unmatched records can appear in the columns Brands, Classifications, VAT codes, UOM codes. Your unmatched records appear here. To match your records, you have to indicate the correct match. When possible, the Product Manager shows you a suggestion. When this is correct, you press the plus sign and the record will revert to the matched records. By the empty fields, you type your proposal in line and suggestions will appear. Select the correct one and confirm by clicking the plus sign. Work through the entire list. This works best when you start with the left column on the top and work all the way to the bottom until there are no unmatched records left. Work through every column. When you are done, all your records are matched and you are ready. Click on Next to proceed to the next step.